If you want to use Gmail like a proper desktop app on Windows 11, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is a great way to make Gmail easier to access, keep it separate from your regular browser tabs, and give it a more app-like feel without installing any extra software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. Once Chrome is open, go to mail.google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you straight to Gmail. Now sign into your Gmail account using your email address and password if you're not already logged in. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu icon. This opens Chrome's main menu with more options. From there, hover over or select Cast, Save and Share. In that sub-menu, click Install Page as App. Chrome will now open a small install window for Gmail. Here, you'll see the option to name the app. Keep it simple and type Gmail. If you see an Open as window box, make sure that is checked because this lets Gmail launch in its own separate window instead of opening inside a browser tab. That makes it feel much more like a real app on Windows 11. Once everything looks right, click Install. Chrome will finish creating the app and Gmail will open in its own window. After that, you can pin it to your taskbar, keep it in your Start menu, or launch it anytime just like a normal app. This is a really convenient setup if you check email often and want faster access without distractions, and that's it. You've now installed Gmail on Windows 11 using Chrome's built-in app feature. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.